Have you ever wondered how to reduce eye strain while using your phone in the evening? Dark mode is a solution that can make your experience with a Samsung Galaxy phone much more pleasant. In this tutorial, you will learn how to automatically turn on dark mode on your phone, so it activates according to your preferences and needs. So let's start the process. First, open the settings on your phone. Then, scroll down a bit, and when you find the display option, tap on it. When you're on the display settings page, find the dark mode settings option and tap on it. Once you open the dark mode settings page, you will see an option called Turn on a Schedule. Tap the switch next to it to enable it. After you enable this option, right below you can choose between two options, sunset to sunrise or custom schedule. If you choose the custom schedule option, you can set the exact times when you want dark mode to turn on and off. So, right below, tap the set schedule option to determine the times you want dark mode to activate and deactivate. In this window, first enter the time you want dark mode to turn on. Then, tap End and enter the time you want dark mode to turn off. When you're done, tap the Done option to save your settings. If you choose the Sunset to Sunrise option, your phone will automatically switch dark mode based on your geographical location. In the pop-up window that appears, tap Turn On to enable location services. Once you enable location, dark mode will activate when the sun sets and turn off when the sun rises, depending on your geographical location. And that would be all for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.